I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is testicular orchitis? What are the symptoms? What are the causes? And what are the treatment options available for this problem? Orchitis is the inflammation of the testis. It is caused by trauma or by infection to the epididymis or to the testis itself. And these infections could be bacterial or viral, depending on the infection. Orchitis can be of two types, unilateral or bilateral. Unilateral is that only one testis is affected. Bilateral is where both the testi are affected. In some cases, especially the severe ones, this problem can become very severe if left untreated. Sadly, men with orchitis may also suffer from azoospermia if left untreated because sperms are also affected by the inflammation. This inflammation causes a rise in temperature. As we are aware, testes have to be maintained at a temperature of 34 to 35 degrees and the body temperature is 37. When there is inflammation, there is a rise in temperature due to which sperm production may be affected. Sperm production happens only when the temperature is around 35 to 34 degrees. So what are the causes of testicular orchitis? Infection is the most common cause of orchitis. It could be bacterial or viral, and viral is the most common. There are a few more possible causes that can lead to inflamed testis. Mumps virus, sexually transmitted infections, urine infections in the prostate or epididymis. What are the risk factors of testicular orchitis? When a patient is 13 to around 35 years old, the risk factors are having frequent sexual relationships with different partners, having a previous history of sexually transmitted diseases, having a partner with diagnosed sexually transmitted disease. When orchitis is caused other than sexual transmitters, there are other risk factors. Being over 45 years of age, not being vaccinated against mumps, having regular urinary tract infections, having performed surgery on the urinary tract, being born with urinary tract abnormalities, or prolonged use of a Foley's catheter. All these could lead to orchitis. There are many symptoms of orchitis, which include pain in the testicles, swelling in the scrotum, blood in ejaculated semen, fever, groin pain, painful urination, pain during sex, abnormal discharge from the penis, tender, swollen, heavy feeling testicle, nausea, decreased libido. These are the symptoms that can occur due to testicular orchitis. How is it diagnosed? Basically, testicles have to be palpated by a urologist and he sees if there is inflammation, and based on that, semen culture, semen analysis to see, after which a semen analysis or a urine analysis is performed to see if there are increased leukocytes, which could be indicative of an infection. Treatment options include, if there is infection, definitely a range of antibiotics depending on the kind of infection which is present. But for pain, analgesics are given, rest is advised so that the inflammation can come down and you can resume your activities. But do remember that if there is infection, whether it is bacterial or viral, antibiotics dosage is very critical and you can reduce the pain by the usage of analgesics. To understand more about this, if you have been diagnosed with orchitis or you have pain in the scrotum, please feel free to contact our urologist. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.